Are you tired of constantly putting off your studying and struggling to meet deadlines? It's time to say goodbye to procrastination and take control of your academic success. Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll share some simple study tips to help you overcome procrastination and achieve your goals. Procrastination is a common problem faced by many students, but with some simple study tips, you can overcome this hurdle and achieve your academic goals. So, let's get started. First and foremost, set a schedule for your study time. Identify the most productive hours of the day and set aside dedicated time for studying. This will help you to stay focused and make the most of your study time. Break down your study tasks into smaller, manageable parts. This will help you to avoid feeling overwhelmed and give you a sense of progress as you complete each task. Remove any distractions that could interfere with your study time. Turn off your phone, log out of social media, and find a quiet, comfortable place to study. Use positive reinforcement to motivate yourself to study. For example, you could reward yourself with a treat or a break after completing a certain amount of work. Seek support from friends, family, or a study group. Having someone to hold you accountable and offer encouragement can make a big difference. And that's it. With these simple study tips, you can say goodbye to procrastination and improve your study habits. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and sticking to it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.